What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we have the Audi S4 Quattro, and I'm one step closer, guys, to finishing my first collection of the series. So you guys remember a few days ago I did a video on the Black series. I have yet to do a video on the C class, but I'm sure you guys know that I have this. I also did a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, which it's getting a lot of views right now. So I'm left with the Porsche 911. But yeah, so today we have the S4 Quattro. Unfortunately, I'm not really a huge fan of this vehicle because it doesn't have a lot of details, but the reason why I got this is, like I mentioned to you, I'm trying to complete the entire set, and I found this car in the wild, and I thought, there would be an amazing chance for me to complete my first ever set in my Hotwheels collection. And so here we go in its entirety, the Audi S4 Quattro. All in all, surprisingly, I would say it looks amazing. It looks really nice, very clean. It's like a very family-ish vehicle. And there are a lot of details, actually, honestly, which is surprising. So obviously the wheels, they look amazing. These 5-spoke wheels look very nice. They're very similar to the ones in the Batman Premium car that I did 2 videos ago, I think. And they obviously look amazing as well. The wheels spin great, and yeah, really nice details. If you look at the front, we can see more details, the headlight temples. Of course, you can see the fenders right there, the fender flares, and I'll get back to that in a while as well. There's something I want to talk to you about that. But besides that, there's the Audi logo right there, the headlight temples, the front grille as well. Really nice details. I mean, they could have just blacked it out, but instead, they put a lot of design in the grills to actually mimic the actual grills, which is amazing, and I think it's a really nice little detail. Of course, the hood, not much design, but you can see the texture right there. And if you look on the left side of the vehicle, same thing as the right, not much details, but obviously it's nice to see the indicator, the white light, the white dot right there, and then of course the side mirrors as well. Wheels spin amazingly well once again, which is really nice to see. I mean, considering it's a premium version with rubber tires. And if you look at the back, here's where it gets nice. So obviously we've got the Audi logo as well as the license plate holder. Obviously it doesn't have a license plate, and of course we can see the RS badge right there. All in all, I think it's a very clean vehicle. You can see the back as well, and if you look at this, you can actually see the panoramic sun view. And it's not panoramic, but it's a sunroof, and you can see the interior as well. You can see the steering wheel, and if you look at this angle, you can actually see the dials inside. Not much details, but yeah, it's nice to have it. And if you look at the base, obviously you can see Audi S4 Quattro right there, the Hotwheels logo, but it's plain, it's a very plain base. The only details are at the back. Over here you can see the exhaust and the diffuser and all of this stuff, and in the front there's a few details as well, which is, I would say, it's nice to see. I'm not really it would have been nice to have more details, definitely, in the base, because if you guys know me, those details are really nice and really nice. I really love them. So yeah, so here's the top view, and if you guys realize, remember the fender thing, the fender flares are only for the front of the vehicle. The rear does not have them at all. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm not sure if that's a real life thing as well, but I'll go check that out. I'll let you guys know in a bit. But yeah, so the fender flares are there. It is what it is. But all in all, I think it's an amazing vehicle. You guys have seen the rest of the videos in my channel, so let me know, out of the entire series, which one do you think is the most favorite one overall? I think the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, if you guys remember, I'll put a link to that in the description below. That car was amazing. But yeah, so this car, all in all, I think it's great. And now we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. I had an amazing time. So if you guys remember, so here's the Mercedes DTM touring car that I've yet to unbox. There's the Mercedes Sprinter, and here is the Black series right there. So obviously the series, I'll put a link in the description below for the vehicles. And yeah, so the S2000 as well as the Subaru there, I'll do a video on that as well. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.